dun, 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 dun. Welcome back to NewZeroland.
It's been so long.
We're in a van.
Ooh.
An ENV 200 van. That's exciting. I don't know what we're doing. This is just gonna be like a weird vlog kind of whatever video. So enjoy. Oh, I'm going. Kitten speed. Oh, electric cars.
Great. Oh, I miss it.
Electric van. We need one of these in our life.
Yes.
Where are we?
Land of the green.
Have an adventure today. So this thing has a boost kind of thing where you press all the way to the floor and then you press it again and it gives you a little boost.
It was like the video games.
Yeah.
Something Racing USA or
where
something.
you
It was
tap
like,
it twice.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, yep.
This thing's got it. Roundabout one.
200 meters.
There's a plug in.
Yes.
Charge on. Oops, not that one. Close that. Open that. Like these blacked out emblems. Pretty cool. So we're gonna do, oh yeah, that's open. J1772, son. Yeah. J. Plug in the J. Yeah, there you go. It's charging. Little lights. Yeah. Just charging up for free. And then you got your plug-in hybrid. Plug-in in. Hybrid in. We're in the forest. Jen, we're in the forest. What are we doing?
It feels like a real ride.
Wow, it is fast. This is really fast. Look at the bike track. That's pretty sweet. Top of the world, Jen. Oh. Yeah, true. Good point. Antarctica. That way. So we got this van from Will, who let us borrow it for the weekend. Will, you're awesome. Coolest van. Now we want a van. Like, no joke, we've been on Trade Me today looking for vans, so. So how cool is it that we just went up the mountain and while we were sightseeing, we were charging it for free?
Thanks, Christchurch.
Great.
Adventure Park.
Oh yeah, we should talk about Will.
That nice guy.
That nice guy Will. So this guy Will that let us borrow his van rode his motorcycle from Scotland to New Zealand the long way, and so he went over his route on a map with us. So you started in Scotland, you said?
Yeah, Dundee in Scotland, just here.
Wow.
And then went round Scotland, down West Africa.
Wow.
Back up to Finland. Bumbled around Europe for a bit. Turkey, Georgia, Azerbaijan, across the Caspian. Kazakhstan. We were going to go to Uzbekistan, but the king died the day we were going in, and it went to like turmoil.
Oh wow.
And then Kyrgyzstan, China, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Southeast Asia, Indo, boat into Oz, bit of Oz, boat over to New Zealand.
Wow. All because you didn't want to fly.
Yeah, I'm scared of flying, because riding a motorcycle is safe.
So right now, we're headed to this guy Dean's place, who has like 20 electric motorcycles. We're gonna find out. But we figured the Sur-ron Storm Bee and Light Bee video got so many views. Obviously you guys like electric dirt bikes, right? So we're gonna go see a guy who has a whole bunch of Altas and Kinks. He just imported them to New Zealand. A whole bunch. So enjoy.
Oh, you're so precious. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness. Look it. Give it. Oh, fine. I'm trying to get some love and
Wow.
Considering
I'm the only one with them in Australasia.
Yeah, seriously.
There's only 1,000 that went worldwide.
Wow.
And I've got an SM, mate.
Oh, wow.
I've got this factory suit motard, and the mate of mine's about to arrive in 10 minutes.
Oh, yeah, right.
I gave him the other one, I had 2 of them, and I gave one of those to Levi Sherwood, you know Levi Sherwood, wouldn't you? I gave one to him, and I gave one to Nick Franklin, also a FMX guy. They're copies of mine, so they've got one each now too. And look, it's a lot of fun. And that's my cake. That's my cake.
See, wow, so many cakes.
I'm changing them up. I'm making them all black. I'm changing the wheel configurations, the ears. That's my Sea Shepherd bike.
So where did you get these? Just straight from cake, or? Yeah?
Yeah.
Just call them up and set
I
up.
just emailed them, said I want 2, and then I wrote 2, then I want 4, and then I got another 3 over there, and
Oh man.
I've got another shed full of toys up at the farm.
And 2 storm bees.
Yeah, they're Storm Bees, yeah. My Rodley ones are up at the farm. This is the one that Brett's put motocross size on. It's not really good.
Wow.
Yeah, we've got a few. This Nitro Circus one here is the one that the Nitro Circus boys rode at the show, and it's all signed by them on the front, all over here, and I haven't ridden it since. So that one there was ridden by the whole Nitro Circus crew at Nitro Circus.
Wow. I've never seen so many light bees in one place.
Oh, I've got issues. I've got lots of issues.
No, you got the right priorities, man.
Yeah, well, you know.
Super excited. Yeah.
I'm not going to go on the Alta, mate. You should film them.
Oh, yes.
So hard. Not scared against you and leans forward.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's the best way to go. You don't want to lean back.
Oh, the sound is so good too.
You'll see when you take off from here and ride this one. It just
Oh, yeah.
makes the wheels spin, bro.
Awesome. Oh yeah.
This is the only road legal Alta probably in the southern hemisphere.
Yeah, it is.
Whoa.
Yeah,
That's exciting.
at the moment.
At the moment, yeah.
We've got another couple of these.
Get on it, bro.
Cool.
These are probably quite light compared to a zero though, eh?
Oh yeah, way lighter. I was like, even tippy toeing, I didn't feel so bad on it. And I was like totally.
Yeah.
Just hear it. Ah.
Oh man.
That smile says it all.
Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I wish I had the GoPro on me because he was riding alongside and doing a wheelie and going up like, oh my god.
We could probably organise that if you want to.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Have you got
I
a
only
man?
had it to them runs wheeling next
That
year.
was amazing.
See why I'm hooked on these things.
Oh dude, these are amazing.
Bloody fun, aren't they?
These are great. Even the brakes are so good.
Oh, that's just, everything's there.
Yeah.
Good brakes, good ergonomics. They handle well. They're quiet.
I definitely understand why you have so many.
Yeah,
It all makes sense. A cool bike.
Yeah, it is. It's something else this one. I love riding it.
So, what made you go electric in the first place?
You know what? Just for the quietness, believe it or not. And the benter, you can actually talk
Right.
while you're riding, you know? And they can, you know, you can give each other flack as you're going into the corners and try and put them off verbally. And there's none of that ringing and sound and banging and crashing. It's just a quiet way to have it's just given me a new lease of life on motorbikes again. Which is weird. How do we laugh?
You can't hop on your dirt bike at 10 o'clock at night.
No, you can't.
True, yeah.
But you know, at 10 o'clock at night we can get down the road here and no one even bothers. You know, it's a shame that Alta shut shop. I mean, the Americans had it bang on. Like you can't get, you know, I don't understand the battery side of it so much, but this is quite a low power battery.
Yeah, it's only 50 volt.
Yeah, it's only 50 volt, but it puts out the power, doesn't it?
Yeah, oh, definitely.
Very good.
No, it's amazing.
It's like kittens.
You sort of English language, so Kiwi land.
Oh, yeah.
It's only down to one battery left. But all I've done with this one again is at the moment I've got these brackets made.
Oh, yeah.
Here in Christchurch, actually I've got my label on DGR Racing, so I can put an XR50 front guard on it because I've never had any. Then I changed the handlebars, and apart from that I've changed the wheels because they've done this. Oh, it's on red now. They've done the same thing. They changed. They got like a race version of this out now, and basically I was turning it into a race bike anyway, a half strip as you can see.
Oh, wow.
But it's dead on. But it's different again.
Oh, wow. Oh.
It's different again. Hop on. Yeah, put your feet up, just right around the property, go around down the side there through you'll be right through the mud. Come here.
Thanks. Cake.
Yeah. Come here.
So it wasn't just the cakes and the Altas that were blowing our minds. These guys are importing Sur-rons and modifying them to not only make way more power with aftermarket controllers, but they're also putting on custom wheels, seat risers, better suspension, a whole bunch of stuff. So if you're in New Zealand and you want to pull electric wheelies everywhere you go, check out dirtebikes.co.nz. Anyway, that's the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.